The Fitzroy River is the last known intact nursery of freshwater sawfish in the world, so they've declined globally. And this research has led to a global understanding of the importance of this river to this species. The whole goal of our sawfish project, and it has been going for a long time, is to lead to further understanding and ultimate conservation of the species. Sawfish and bull sharks are at the top of the food chain, so anything that's at that apex predator controls the whole ecosystem under it. Because they have a life cycle that is so related to the flow of the river. If you take the flow out of the river, they don't recruit into it. So we know that flow, in the last 20 years, there's only been 3 occasions where we've got mass recruitment of the little ones that come into the river. We have no understanding of how many adult females there are, but we do know that the females come back to the river that they were born into to release their pups year after year. Well, a lot of the work currently that we do, and probably for the last 15 or 16 years, has been on endangered species and working with traditional owner ranger groups and monitoring freshwater sawfish, dwarf sawfish, river sharks, some of these threatened species which use the river for a nursery. When I started working in the Kimberley, the project was with the Kimberley Land Council and the Kimberley Language Centre. It was funded by the Natural Heritage Trust. So we collaborated on a project to record all the language names of the fishes of the Fitzroy River, so in 5 languages, because people were getting older and languages are dying. Although that was 20 years ago, people still have all the posters in different languages that we produced, and it's led to great friendships, but also building lots of other different projects throughout the last couple of decades. The research has proved a two-way street with the cultural knowledge and the scientific knowledge, and basically everyone helping each other to understand the importance of the river, not only for the people, but for the environment and for the fish that live in there. The community benefit from these sort of projects is just the knowledge, and that any community that becomes aware that their river is so important for these species and that there is nowhere else in the world that hosts these species anymore or that they're declining, it creates a bit of a stewardship amongst the community. Obviously, when we started, there was really nothing known about the freshwater fishes in Western Australia, just little bits and bobs. So our role has been to keep the momentum going and keep the knowledge going and getting it out for translational science so that it gets out to the community, trying to create an awareness that what we have under the water, even though you can't see them, it is really important.